Many things in math as well as in life, they have to be simplified. Welcome to another Eduland Foundation video on the application of HCF. It can also be called as GCD, that is greatest common divisor or greatest common factor. Now we have simplify. The word simplify means we reduce a number to its lowest term by taking a common factor. So let's take this one, 56 by 40. To solve that, let's start with the HCF part. So I have, let's take the highest common factor, or find the highest common factor of 56 and 40. So since I see 6 in the units place and 0 in the units place here, I start from 2. So prime factorization, so 2 is the smallest prime number, and 2 divides 56 and 40 equally. So 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 8 is 20. So 2 times 28 is 56, 2 times 2 is 4, 0, so 2 times 20 is 40. Again I see 8 in the units place of 28 and 0 in 20. So again this is divisible by 2. So 2 times 1, 2 times 4, 2 times 1, 0. So I have 14 and 10. Again it is divisible by 2. So 2 times 7, 2 times 5. This is the end of factorization because 5 and 7 cannot be divided by a number because they are prime numbers. It cannot be divided by any other number except 1. So now I take the factors that is written on this side, I multiply them, so I get 8. I get 8, which is my HCF. That means 8 divides 56 and 40 equally, and their simplest form or in the lowest term are here. 7 and 5 means 8 times 7 is 56, 8 times 5 is 40. So 7 and 5 are my terms here when I divide this. When I divide this by 8, I get 7 by 5, which is my lowest term. Now let's take another one, 18 by 48. So let's try to find the HCF of 18 and 48. So 1 plus 8 is 9 and 4 plus 8 is 12, which is equal to 3. So it is divisible by 3. So I'm going to divide them by 3. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 1 is 4. 18. 3 times 6. Now I have 6 which is divisible by 3, but I have 16 which is not divisible by 3. But since I have 6 in the units place, I'm going to divide them by 2. 2 times 3, 2 times 8. So this is, I have 3 and 8 as the remainder. 3 is a prime number, so I leave it at that. I'm going to multiply the factors, that is 3 times 6, 3 times 2 is 6. So 6 is my HCF, and 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 8 is 48. So when I divide this by 6, which is my HCF, the lowest terms are 3 and 8. Let's take the the decimal fractions, I have 0 and 1/100th. So in the fractional form, it is 1 by 100. And since I don't have a common factor, I leave it at that in that form. Now let's take this 4, 0 and 4/100th. So I have 4 by 100. I have a common factor, that is 4 itself. So I'm going to divide them by 4 and I get 1 by 25. Because 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 25 is 100. Let's take this 2/10. 0 and 2/10 can be written as 2 by 10. I have a common factor, that is 2 itself, so I'm going to divide them by 2. So what I'm left with is 2 divided by 2 is 1, 10 divided by 2 is 5. So this is in the lowest form. Hope you find this useful and we'll give it a try to solve the others. Thank you.